Hello guys, आपने सबके मिला चैनल दे और वेलकम करेसे और आपने सबके मिला फैमिली ला पड़े और आपने के हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2026 ला ಇದು ಖುಷಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ और एक्सपेक्ट करेसे कि सब मानु खुशी रा फाल राइ থাকিব গইনা तो इटिया very beginning of the year আছে this month so expect करेसे कि whatever you are planning may God provide a way to each one of us and then achila moi mini vlog itu to apnan ke ini short clip hole apnan ke dikhai dibole mon thaya karni itu content loi na ase to chalo without taking so much time let's straightly jump into the aur kon isna itu sabe moi la brother in law so he came all the way from Tripura and then we will be catching fish today not so much but just to have fun just for fun only we'll be catching because mon aina bisitiri mas na khao je to garni ta jibi olop mon la jaga de explore grai dibo gina ami kala farm de loina ase aro last time request kuranis na moi farm dido update kurole para nai so sorry for that kile moi farm chara do olop teri hoise almost year in ga hole ase moi farm chari ne ja garni to sabi tadi kun bi ne thaya garni to pura khas was khan olai jese ami la farm debi nga olai se de aro ami la itu burkila kor khan du ite tak ni gai ase aro itu second fishery one achi do tadi aro second yate try kuri sawo aro yate to pani olop piche ase pani olop piche ha garni I'm not sure whether we will get or not but let's try yate try gorna na taki se gole to more on third day jai na tate try karo kile tate do high chances ase aro must be olop kam di ase ole bi pera ase to tate jai na apnan ke dikhai dibo tai ready guri ase please bring that blue bucket okay blue bucket yeah that one bucket net all is here net yeah so mon fishing net nai really itu mosquito net itu ra puru le je to chalo apna net dikhai dibo aro sabi ite tola pa no tai bi aise aro ate try kuru sawo first ate ho no wo ete la bani de try guna nata ki gole mon next fishery ate jai jawo मेला brother in law भी आए से तो अपनन के किवा कोबो गुना ताइबी ऐसे तो let's hear what he have to say
hello guys
yeah what you have to say you say yeah
welcome to Seri we welcome to Seri
channel yes
hey hoini ya saha kaman to na atui kwa video đây lâu em đi tới bên lâu em nào và vừa bên đó thì về đấy cái lâu anh bây giờ chú mấy bác à ama channel đi đi lâu like cái lâu subscribe rồi anh nghe hai bọc chơi đi
anh okay thank you तो kun buche se comment down good hui aro doi dia kane ami han fishing start kore se chalo Water is sitting on the down. Water is sitting. Yeah. We'll chase from here and then we'll chase the side. The side is left. The side is here. Yeah, man. What's there? Hey, hey. Yeah. Hold it here. Water is left from there in.
Hello guys.
Yeah, is that okay?
On the one.
Huh? You have average size then.
This one. This much size with there.
This one. Wait, okay. Quick one. Not here, na. Suto kando pisces eh. Believe it. Yeah. Well, we have more bigger size than here. I don't do keep. Yeah. We'll throw na. Throw them na. Oh shit. To kando. Lady wa.
Go, run away.
Run away. Oh. Just tilado. Tuitay ase. Ro try karo. Tile mon. Ufale tu tipo agani tade bareba. Tade fale bra. I will eat tu pai. To half te agina. Half fale kita agine jati bra start kurise. To itu kani tango do thorule paranai. Chalo ro try kuru sawa. Fine. More kilos. Six times is better. Water is a good pick na. थोरोले पारा नाय किले पानी बेसी तंगोर আছে আর আমি যে নেট তো বেশি ছোট আছে তো নেক্সট ফিশারিতে যাব এটা তো খালি তিনটা পিসই পাইছে ছোট আছে তো চলো let's shift to second fishery. Be careful on your leg. You get hurt. Very difficult to walk now. I'm getting so much water in my shoe. Very heavy. Nanti lado pani nai. Pani konti se. To ini thro. Try here na. Se so ya de la lakina se. Unique fish. I've never seen like this fish, no. This one is like local, I think. Local fish.
It's very slippery, no?
Huh? Yeah. Full na. Papaya. Pumpkin papaya. तो इसे अचिला फिशिंग तुम्हारी ग्रो पानी पीछे ठंडा से और मन बगीना से दे ये छोटे छोटे ऐसे सब छोटे छोटे खंडो बताई दियो और सही तो पूरा अलग फिश है I don't know what fish is this. Looks like local fish, river fish. तो अपना खुशी पाइसी गले कंटेंट खुशी पाइसी गले लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करियो दे गाइस ठंडा बरा मुरि गले से तो यदि रा मिला कंटेंट खत्म करिसे दे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग पे और ब्लॉग रो से बाय
Bye.
yeah